Want to skyrocket your TikTok affiliate shop sales and earn more commissions? In this video, we'll reveal the top strategies and secrets to boost your sales and take your online business to the next level. From optimizing your TikTok profile to creating high-converting content, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate marketer, this video is packed with actionable tips and insights to help you succeed on TikTok. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start growing your TikTok affiliate shop sales today. Join me as I take on the challenge to boost my TikTok affiliate shop sales and share all the strategies I use along the way. One of the most exciting feelings as an affiliate marketer is seeing those sales roll in, and I'm sure you can agree that it's a total game changer. Just imagine waking up to notifications of new sales, knowing that your TikTok affiliate shop is generating passive income while you sleep. It's a dream come true, and it's totally achievable with the right strategies in place. When it comes to driving sales through TikTok, many of us face similar challenges. For one, it can be tough to get people to click on our affiliate links in the first place. Sometimes we might feel like we're posting great content, but nobody's engaging or taking action. And even when we do get clicks, converting them into actual sales can be a struggle. It's frustrating, right? You put in all this effort to create content, engage with your audience, and promote your affiliate links, but the sales just aren't coming in like you want them to. Another common issue is finding products that actually resonate with your audience. You might be promoting something that you think is amazing, but your followers just aren't biting. And let's not forget about the competition with so many other TikTok creators out there. It can be tough to stand out and make your affiliate shop seen. You might be thinking, what's the point of even trying? But here's the thing, I've been in your shoes, and I've figured out some amazing strategies that can help boost your TikTok affiliate shop sales almost overnight. And today, I'm going to share them with you. The first thing you need to do is optimize your content for maximum engagement. This means creating TikTok videos that are so good, people can't help but stop scrolling and watch till the end. This could be a sneak peek into your daily life, a tutorial or how-to video, or even just a funny skit that showcases your personality. The key is to make it attention-grabbing and engaging, so people want to click on your affiliate link to learn more. Another crucial step is to target the right audience. You can't just post content and hope that the right people see it. You need to be intentional about who you're targeting and how you're targeting them. This could mean using specific hashtags, engaging with popular creators in your niche, or even running paid ads to reach a wider audience. When it comes to creating content, you need to focus on value, value, value. What can you give to your audience that they can't find anywhere else? This could be exclusive discounts, early access to new products, or even just expert advice and guidance. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. And finally, you need to be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building trust and authority with your audience. If you're only posting content sporadically, people are going to forget about you and move on to someone else. But the most impactful strategy that has proven to significantly increase affiliate sales is to leverage the power of storytelling. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something just because of a fancy ad or a clever marketing tactic? Chances are, you made a purchase because you connected with the brand's story, or because you felt like the product was going to solve a real problem in your life. That's what storytelling does. It creates an emotional connection between you and your audience, and that's what drives sales. When you share your personal story, people start to relate to you on a deeper level. They start to see you as more than just a TikTok creator. They see you as someone who understands their struggles and can offer a solution. And when you share the story behind the products you're promoting, people start to see the value in them. They start to understand why you're so passionate about these products, and why you think they can make a real difference in their lives. That's when the magic happens, and sales start rolling in. In this video, we've covered some amazing strategies to boost your TikTok affiliate shop sales. From optimizing your content to leveraging the power of storytelling, these tips can help take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. To maximize your TikTok affiliate shop sales, you need a mix of smart strategies, engaging content, and proven conversion techniques. One of the most powerful ways to drive sales is through TikTok Shop live streams. Consistently going live allows you to showcase products in action, answer questions in real time, and create urgency for potential buyers. To keep viewers engaged, use auto-scroll hooks such as, "Stay till the end for a surprise," or, "Don't miss out on this limited time deal." Pinning product links during the live stream and offering time-sensitive discounts can significantly boost conversions. Another effective strategy is to create FOMO, fear of missing out, using trending challenges, sounds, and hashtags. Participating in viral trends helps your videos reach a wider audience while making your content more relatable. To drive urgency, phrases like, "Only 10 left in stock," or "Selling out fast, grab yours now," can encourage impulse purchases. Secret discount codes can be a game changer for TikTok affiliate sales. Offering exclusive promo codes, such as use SWA 10 feet for an extra 10% off, incentivizes buyers to take immediate action. Bundle deals, like buy 2, get 1 free, can also increase the average order value by encouraging customers to purchase multiple items. Authentic product reviews play a key role in converting viewers into buyers. Posting unboxing videos, real user testimonials, and before and after demonstrations builds trust and credibility. Curiosity-driven captions such as, "Wait till you see what happens next," can capture attention and increase watch time, leading to higher engagement and more conversions. Running TikTok ads and Spark ads is another way to scale sales. Low-budget conversion ads can target users who are most likely to make a purchase, while Spark ads allow you to boost your best-performing organic videos for extra reach. Collaborating with micro-influencers and utilizing the duet or stitch features can expose your products to a broader audience. Influencers with engaged followers can provide genuine product reviews that lead to higher trust and conversions. Duetting or stitching viral product videos also gives your content a chance to ride the wave of an already trending post. Optimizing your TikTok bio and profile is crucial for driving traffic to your shop. A strong call to action, such as, "Shop now before it's gone," can create urgency and direct followers to your store. Having a high-quality profile picture and a niche-relevant username makes your brand appear more professional and trustworthy. Several TikTok affiliate shop sellers have achieved remarkable success by using creative and strategic techniques to boost their sales. One outstanding example is a skincare brand that sells facial masks and serums. The seller experienced a 320% increase in daily sales within a month by leveraging ASMR product demonstrations during TikTok live sessions. They applied the product slowly, using high-quality microphones to capture the soothing sounds of peeling masks and applying serums. This sensory experience kept viewers engaged for longer periods, increasing the chances of conversion. To build trust and authenticity, they also encouraged customers to share real-time testimonials in the comments, creating a compelling social proof effect. Another inspiring case comes from a store that sells innovative kitchen gadgets such as automatic stirrers and smart cutting boards. This seller managed to sell out their entire stock within 48 hours by using a unique duet strategy with popular food influencers. Instead of relying solely on traditional ads, they asked well-known content creators in the cooking niche to film reaction duet videos showcasing the product in action. These videos displayed genuine reactions of influencers being amazed by the gadget's convenience, making the content feel authentic and shareable. Since duets naturally reach a wider audience through both the sellers and influencers' followers, the strategy generated millions of views and drove a surge in TikTok shop sales. A streetwear brand selling oversized hoodies and trendy apparel saw a 500% increase in revenue within 3 weeks by implementing a limited-time, mystery box strategy. Instead of offering individual products, they promoted exclusive mystery boxes containing surprise designs, building excitement among customers. To create urgency, they included countdown timers in their TikTok videos, making followers feel the need to act fast before the deal expired. Additionally, the brand included handwritten thank you notes in every package, encouraging customers to share their unboxing experiences on TikTok. This led to a wave of user-generated content, which further amplified their brand reach and attracted more buyers. A high-ticket fitness equipment store generated over $100,000 in sales in its first month by focusing on storytelling-based ad creatives. Rather than simply demonstrating the features of the product, the seller created a mini TikTok series centered around a busy parent struggling to find time for exercise. Each video in the series highlighted a different aspect of the workout machine, making it relatable to the target audience. The final video in the sequence introduced an exclusive TikTok shop discount, creating a seamless transition from storytelling to sales. To maximize the impact, the seller boosted these videos with Spark ads, ensuring they reached an audience already interested in fitness products. An affordable jewelry brand specializing in trendy rings and necklaces achieved over 15,000 orders within 1 month by introducing flash sale challenges and gamification techniques. Instead of relying on traditional discounts, they turned their sales into an engaging game. They encouraged followers to comment with a specific emoji to unlock a secret discount code, a strategy that dramatically increased engagement. Since TikTok's algorithm favors high interaction rates, this approach helped push their videos to a larger audience. Additionally, the seller created a spin the wheel game on their website. Customers could win different discounts when they clicked the TikTok shop link. By making the shopping experience fun and interactive, they kept customers engaged and motivated to buy. Each of these sellers found success by thinking outside the box and implementing unique strategies tailored to their niche. Whether through ASMR live selling, influencer duet marketing, mystery box promotions, storytelling ads, or gamified discounts. These techniques help them maximize their TikTok shop sales. If you're looking to apply similar strategies, focusing on audience engagement, authenticity, and creative sales tactics will give you an edge in the competitive affiliate marketing space. Remember, it's all about providing value to your audience and building trust with them over time. What are some strategies you've used to boost your TikTok affiliate shop sales? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks.